This is what I deal with. That right there, you see that? You see that? That right one is flustered. There you go. Right one is done. Okay, here's Jose's camo controller. Let's see what this one's dealing with. He's also dealing with a jumpy. Oh, I'm sorry. That left is gone. Yep, you see it? The left on there is totally destroyed. Look. Right one's a little jumpy, but left is gone. Okay, we got this controller in. Okay. No more stick drift. Camo controller, ready to go.
There you go, man. Just got my service done on my controllers. PS5 controller, you see right here. For Holoflex. No more stick drift. Get at my boy, Motech Service. Is his Instagram. Gonna put you on the link. Check him out, man. And get your service done, man.
Yes, sir. Right, hey, thank you, Jose, man.
Yep.
Yes, sir. Sir, business done right.